What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swing Trade Shack back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Ehang Holdings, ticker symbol EH. I'm just going to be giving a quick update on new levels to watch to hopefully see some support and possible reversal setups. As always, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe for future videos. Before we start, just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is intended for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get into it. So if you haven't seen my last video on Ehang, I definitely recommend giving that a watch, as I outlined some key levels that we would likely see break, which we did see in this week's price action. So now let's talk about what we see on the charts. So starting with the weekly, in the past week, we did see our support line at 32.22 break, and the overall trend from the last couple months has been very bearish. The price action has closed below our 10-day moving exponential moving average and 20-day EMA for the last 4 weeks, and it looks as though we are approaching the 50-day moving average. We are also looking to see a crossover of the 10-day EMA on the 20-day EMA to the downside, which would be another bearish indicator. So what I believe on this stock is we do see a test of this support zone. Just put a quick label here. So of 23.33, which is also an area of demand. So this support level is going to be combined with a 50-day moving average touch, a demand zone, and a support level, which is providing a strong catalyst for a potential bounce off of this level. I wouldn't even think of touching this stock until we see it reach this level of 23.33, as this chart still looks extremely bearish, and we do have rising bearish volume. So let's just take a quick look at the daily chart. So what did we see on the daily chart? We saw a nice hammer candlestick, which indicated that we would see a bounce at this level, which we did see. Okay. So from this level to the resistance level, we saw a upside move of 61%. And on the retest of this level, we saw a strong bullish engulfing candlestick. Now, if you tunneled in on the possibility of a double bottom reversal, you would have lost money on this play, because in the bigger picture, we're still in a downtrending market. Market structure is still in the context of lower highs and lower lows. This is why it's important to wait for confirmation, because if you're one of those people just buying anywhere, you're likely going to get crushed in the long term, with the possible success in the short term if you get lucky. So after failing to close above our resistance level at 38.09 over here, we saw our lower high formed and a continued impulse move to the downside. The daily has confirmed my views on this stock, as we've looked at multiple timeframes, and there are strong bearish indications on both. I do not see any buy setups at this level unless you're a day trader, and I would not even consider buying this stock until we see it get to our zone of 23.33, which I believe we'll see in the coming week. This is our next major zone, as outlined in the weekly chart. And once we get there, I will look at the price action and provide an update. So that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next. Peace.